In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross-reference tables and figures in Microsoft Word. Cross-references are a powerful way to point readers to the exact table or figure they need, and they stay accurate even if your document changes. Instead of retyping numbers or captions every time something moves, Word can handle that for you. Start by opening your document and placing your cursor exactly where you want the cross-reference to appear. Think about the sentence around it so your reference reads naturally. For example, you might type a short lead-in like "see" or "as shown in," then leave a space and position the cursor where the reference should go. That way, the cross-reference drops neatly into your text without extra editing. Next, go to the References tab on the ribbon. This is the home for tools like captions, citations, and cross-references. In the Captions group, click Cross-Reference. That opens a dialog box where you'll pick what you want to reference and how it should look. In the dialog, open the Reference Type drop-down and select either Figure or Table, depending on what you're citing. Word builds its list from items that have captions, so if you don't see your figure or table here, it likely doesn't have a caption yet. Captions give Word the label and number it needs to track these elements and make cross-references work correctly. Now, choose the specific figure or table from the list. You'll see each entry identified by its label and number, often followed by the start of its caption text. This helps you confirm you're selecting the right item, especially in longer documents. Decide what to insert. If you pick only label and number, Word will insert something like Figure 3 or Table 2. Entire caption will insert the full caption text, which can be useful when you want more context, but can be wordy. Page number inserts just the page where that figure or table appears, perfect for phrases like on page 12. Once you've made your choice, click Insert, then close the dialog when you're done. Word places a dynamic field in your document, so if your figures or tables get renumbered or moved to different pages, the cross-reference can update to stay accurate. You can also type punctuation, parentheses, or additional text around it to match your style. If you ever reorganize your document and something looks out of date, simply refresh your fields and everything will realign. Repeat the same steps for any other tables or figures you need to reference, and your document will remain clear, consistent, and easy to navigate.